Have you ever wondered if there's a way to live life completely unperturbed by outside circumstances? A path that leads to tranquility, clarity, and resilience no matter what life throws at you? Enter Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that proposes just that. Stoicism, a philosophy born in ancient Greece around 3 centuries before the Common Era, brings a simple yet profound answer to the complexities of life. It postulates that the path to happiness lies not in trying to control the uncontrollable external world, but in mastering our own minds and attitudes. Stoicism revolves around 4 cardinal virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Wisdom, in the Stoic sense, is more about practical understanding, discernment, and navigating through life's challenges effectively. Courage, not just physical but also moral, means standing up for what's right even in the face of adversity. Justice refers to treating others with fairness, understanding, and kindness. Temperance, the final virtue, is about exercising self-restraint and moderation in all aspects of life. At the heart of Stoicism lies the dichotomy of control, a clear demarcation of what's in our power and what's not. Stoics believe that we have absolute control over our mind, our perceptions, our actions, and our responses. Everything else, the actions of others, the events of the world, the passage of time, falls outside our sphere of control. A Stoic, therefore, focuses solely on what they can control, leaving the uncontrollable to the whims of nature. This approach fosters a deep sense of tranquility and resilience. It empowers individuals to remain calm in the storm, to maintain their composure in the face of adversity, and to find peace amidst chaos. Stoicism also emphasizes the impermanence of life, encouraging us to live in the present moment. It teaches that the past is unchangeable, the future uncertain, and the present moment is all we truly have. By focusing on the present, we can make the most of our lives, unburdened by past regrets or future anxieties. And so we find that Stoicism is not just a philosophy, it's a way of life, a practical guide to living well and living fully. It's about cultivating inner strength, maintaining equanimity in all circumstances, and leading a life of virtue and wisdom. To summarize, Stoicism is a philosophy of personal ethics informed by its system of logic and its views on the natural world. It teaches acceptance of what is out of our control, focusing on what we can control, our minds, our actions, our responses. It so emphasizes the 4 cardinal virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance as the pillars of a good life. And it encourages us to live in the present moment, mindful of the impermanence of life. Stoicism, in essence, is a compass in the vast ocean of life, guiding us towards tranquility, resilience, and a profound sense of fulfillment. It's a philosophy for life, for every day, for every moment. And in the words of the great Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength.